Baby, if you leave me, I go die, yo. Your body nice, I can't deny, yo. Yeah. Drunk in love, you make me high. Baby, I must dance with you tonight. God for daddy, don't be shy.
Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys step by step how to make a wig with a frontal using Wiggins Hair. And you can see this bag is very handy, and I will use this bag to preserve the wig if I am done. This is the hair I will be using, their body wave 99J Bongade. You can see the weft, well constructed, no strands, and I will be using their 22 inches and a frontal of 20 inches. And there you can see their frontal. It looks as if they pre-plucked the front. You can see it also came with baby hairs and a wig cap. And then what I will do now is just to go ahead and use dome cap to make the wig. I will first of all secure the frontal to the dome cap first, and I will make sure it's well flat. Use securing pins to secure the frontal like this. Then make sure to secure your frontal. Make sure your frontal is well flat before you will start to sew. And I will just go ahead and use thread and the needle to sew. This is how I will be sewing, and I will not be naughty. This video is step by step. If you don't know how to make a wig with a frontal, watch this video throughout, and you will learn something from this video. And then if I am sewing, I will not be giving too much gap. You can see how I am sewing it close to each other, which is very nice because the frontal will be well secured to the dome cap, and it will also look neat. If I am done sewing the frontal to the dome cap, I will go ahead and secure the thread, and you can see how it looks very nice and neat. I will go ahead and start with the bundles. I don't usually cut my weft. I will be doing double weft, and I will go ahead and use pins to secure it like this, and I will start to sew. Also be doing flip over method. You guys know I love doing flip over method. And then if I am sewing the weft, I will try to tie the thread, like knot the thread. I will try to show you guys step by step so that you will follow up with this video. finish the wig, I will do single weft. If I am done, I will just secure the thread and then cut off the excess thread. Done making the wig, and is well sewed and nice. I'll go ahead and cut off the excess dome cap, which I will also be using as an elastic band to the wig. You guys will see that. I will cut it off gently. I will cut off the excess lace gently. If you are to pre-plug the frontal, I would advise you to pre-plug the frontal first before cutting off the excess lace, and sew in the elastic band to the wig. And this is how it looks. Just to create a little bit of dark roots, I will apply, like, dapping a little bit of eyeliner pencil, brown eyeliner pencil. And this is how I normally create my dark root. Just apply eyeliner pencil. It works nicely. If I am to get the natural look, it's just for me to dab in a piece of cloth inside water and just use it to clean it off, which is nice. And I will go ahead and brush a little bit. Brush, try to create middle part. You guys know how Freedomstyles love middle part. And then apply a little bit of my powder just to create natural looking part. Just dab in the powder a little bit, not too much, because this wig, if I am to put it on later, I don't want to use glue gel. I just want to put it on and style it for you guys. This is the finished look of the wig. You can see I will just use my fingers to finger comb the wig. You can see the natural texture. Comb a little bit, just style it to my own desire. I just put it on for you guys to see the natural texture. I didn't do anything to the front yet. Just put it on. Look at the back. The hair is very, very soft, and the fullness is nice. And then I just went ahead and coiled the wig, which came out very pretty. I will just put the wig on just to show you guys the finished look. Place the wig on my head like this. Use the elastic band to secure the wig at the back. You can see the wig. Just try to style it for you guys. And I don't want to apply gel glue. Got to be glue. Now we just style it a little bit. Press it down. You can see I didn't use glue. No gel. Nothing, because I just wanted to put on this wig so that you guys will know you can also put on a wig without applying glue gel. And then you can see it. This is the way it looks. I will try and finger comb the wig for you guys to also see. Very, very pretty hair. And then the hair is very soft. You can and finger comb the coils for you guys to see. You can see it's coming out more prettier. You can see the volume, and you can see how it looks. Looks very pretty. The color is nice. A white tooth comb to just comb it a little bit, and comb the other side, style it. And then you can see the look is pretty. You see the back. I like the hair. I like the softness of this hair. Don't forget that this hair is from wigginshair.com. I like this hair. I like the color of this hair. 99J Bungadi. It's very pretty. This hair is soft, and I like it. Don't forget that this hair is from wigginshair.com. This is their 99J Bungadi. I used their 22 inches and a frontal for 22 inches and a frontal of 20 inches. Details of this hair will be in the description box below. Everything I used in this video will be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video like as I enjoyed a few minutes, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.